True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anyway you now watch from here and abroad. So my location is on Brigade Crescent. Yeah man, them building the first time they used to have a mechanic shop right here. So mechanic shop kind of moving. I don't know where the location is at. Yeah man, so this is the Mandeville, Manchester area. Yeah man, so no Mandeville with Fire Reid. Know where to go, when to go. Now if you look out on the eye, I go up in the town area. Yeah man, so you know so them places are one way. Take a trip up in the town area. No say early morning ride in Mandeville, Manchester. You know? Early morning drive. It's about 8:13 a.m. in Mandeville. So this is what it looked like on a Saturday in Mandeville. But today I will take you all to the Perth estate from this area. I know a lot of people want to see an update on the Perth estate and want to go on, so I will take you around here and show you, you know. So yes, some people must care for the homeless. A lot of people out there need some assistance. A lot of somebody can help out someone, that would be appreciated. So you know, it's the early morning of the town, it's not too really busy. So the right of the Santa Cruz taxi bus park. Yeah, so we get the taxi them to go St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz. So big up all of the taxi driver them and big up on yourself. Remember, I want to take you all to the Perth estate area. So I'm just giving you understand how to get from the town area. If you buy a piece of property in the Perth estate and you want to know how far or what you can see on the journey going around here from in the town area. So this is what you're gonna see. So I'm very close to the NCB Bank, also the JN Jamaican National Bank. Very close. So we are heading towards its Perth Road. And remember, we are going to the Perth Estate area. It's gonna be a little drive. We'll just enjoy the drive with Fire Reid. If you make the right turn, we'll take you back to the Mandeville Hospital area. So I make the left turn, heading towards, which is NCB's on your right, heading towards Mega Mart to the stoplight. And if you make the right turn at the stoplight, we'll take you all to the Greenvale roundabout. must always look out for the stoplight right here on the Perth Road. Sometimes a lot of people just drive out. Sometimes they don't even look and it can cause an accident. You can see the road condition, a lot of potholes, so you have to look out on the eyes and see the potholes them. Don't want to chop a tire. So it can look a bit dark because you know a lot of trees in this area on the two sides of the road. Them can fix up here so I look a bit better. Yeah man, them can fix up them place so I look a bit better, make the place look proper. On your right, that is where you have Perth Drive. How you get to Perth Estate from in the Mandeville town area. So you can look out for part 2 of the video and you will see Perth Estate. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. I'm very close to the entrance, which will take you all to the Perth Estate area. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think. how the road condition, how the area set up to get there. So I said you can check out for part 2 for the video. We'll show you the Perth Estate area. So welcome to Perth Estate, guys. We are now at the entrance. Perth Estate. Yeah man, see what I go on there. Show you what I go on. Perth Estate. I'm going to spin around and see if I can catch a sign. See the sign? Welcome to Perth Estate.